Hey guys, welcome you all in T3P. That on to the point. In this quick video, I'm going to share 7 Udemy courses with you. In these 7 courses, 5 courses are belong to premium certification like AWS DevOps, AWS Machine Learning, AWS Data Analytics, or AWS Solution Architect Associate, and one certification belongs to Google Cloud Platform. Okay, and after that, I'm going to share 2 more courses with you that will help you to learn Python and computer network fundamentals. So let's see what are the courses in this video we are having. So first course you can see on your screen, that is for AWS DevOps Engineer Professional, where you will get 305 questions. Okay. So these are comes under 4 sets. So if you are preparing for this certification, then this course gonna help you for your practice. Next course is about AWS Certified Data Analytics Practice Test. Here you will get 2 sets and you will get 130 questions. So it's good to prepare for this certification. Next certification course we are having, that is for machine learning, that I shared few days back as well, but most of you did not able to enroll it first the same, right? So again, you have the opportunity, just go and enroll right away. I'll share the coupon codes quickly, just to wait for a minute so I can go through all the courses what we are having. Next course we are having AWS Certified Solution Architect Professional Exam. Earlier it was Architect Associate level. This time it is for professional level. So once you will go through these practice test and explanation, you will understand everything and you will be able to clear AWS Architect Associate exam easily, and it will help you to prepare for professional exam as well. Here you will get 300 questions. Those are based on scenarios. Okay. Next course we are having, that is for Python for beginners course, that is for 7 hours content we are having. It is having 83 lectures which covers 6 hours and 45 minutes. You can see how it is defined. Here you will get the chocolate size, or we can say the bite size videos, so it will be easy to understand and grasp the knowledge from the video. Okay. Next course we are having computer network foundation, that is good for starting your network journey, because in any cloud you are working, you need to understand their networking concepts like OSI model, TCP, IP model, and there are so many protocols we need to understand while we are working in the cloud platform. Okay, so this is good, like it is just having 1.5 hours of content, so you can understand. Within 14 lectures, it covers everything almost which is required in terms of networking part. So it's good for starting. Next course we are having for one more certification, that is for Google Professional Data Engineer Practice Test. Here you will get 200 questions in 4 sets. So if you are preparing for GCP data engineering certification, then this course is going to help you to practice. Okay, now the thing is how you will get it. This time I'll not ask you to mention course name and interested in the comment section, because sometimes what happened after recording video I shared with you, but all the time I will not be available to share the coupon code with you. So I have documented this time. So what you need to do, you just need to go to description box, but what you will get there, you will get this page there. Okay, the link of this page, this is from my blog, that is technologytothepoint.com. So once you will go to this page, you need to go for the today's post, okay, where I've documented everything. But make sure you like this video, comment how you find this video, means did you like it or not like it, or for which certification you are interested, or which course you are interested from Udemy. So next time whenever I get the coupon, I'll share with you. So don't forget that thing. Now let's see from where you will get the coupon codes. Okay, once you will come to this page, you will reach on this page where you will see the post on this one. Don't use from this one, sometimes it will not work from here. So what you need to go, you just need to click on that page, you will reach here. So every course I have mentioned course name, the screenshot of that course, page link is here. Once you will click here, you will reach on the course. Okay, and say so you will reach here. Now you need to copy this coupon code and then you can apply here. I had just I'm just showing for the one course that it is available for free for you. Similarly, you can go through all the courses and use these coupon codes. What you need to do next after applying these course and enroll for this one, don't forget to connect with me on Telegram, so you will get quick updates, free learning resources, what I'm preparing for myself. I just share those content with you, and whatever content I found helpful, I'll share there quickly. and you are watching this video on my YouTube channel, right? So don't forget to subscribe so you will get updates for the next video. If you want, you can connect with me on Instagram as well. So see you guys in next video with more coupons. Till then, happy learning, and go to the description box, go to this page and enroll for the courses. Happy learning. See you guys.